Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's look I have for you this purple dramatic kind of cat smoky eyes. So to start off, I'm gonna use a very classic product, and this is my favorite eyeshadow base, Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. I used this eyeshadow base since many years ago, and I'm gonna spread it out everywhere the eyeshadows go. So I'm gonna apply in the eyelids and also in the lower lash line. To create this makeup look today, I'm gonna use this Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced, and as you can see here, this palette has amazing colors. So I decided to go for this light pink shade to be my transition shade. So I'm gonna apply with a fluffy brush in my crease, and this color is very pigmented. When I apply in my crease, you can see this color looks a little bit darker than what you see in the palette. But that's okay for me, so I'm gonna apply this product a little at a time and blend in circular motions because I want just to kind of create some dimension in my eyeshadows today. Next, I'm gonna use this dark purple shade with an angled brush, as you can see here, and I did spray a little bit of setting spray in my brush to apply this color, and I'm gonna use this color as a eyeliner. As you can see here, this color is very pigmented and kind of looks as I'm applying a eyeliner in the other corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna apply this color in the other corner and also in the lower lash line, and I'm gonna fill the other corners, as you can see here, to create the shape of my eye look. But if you don't have too much practice, you can use just a piece of tape in the other corner of your eyes. And today I decided to do this look, so take your time to do it without the tape, but make sure to look at your eyes and make sure that they both look the same. So I apply a little more setting spray in my brush and go adding the product a little at a time, creating the whole shape of my eye look today. And you can apply as much as you want. Today I decided to go for a dramatic version, but also you can use it with less eyeshadow. I mean to create a smaller shape, or even you can use a lighter eyeshadow. Oh, and you can use my code MelissaGC for 30% off in georgecosmetics.com. And now with a shader brush, I'm gonna apply this deep plum shade in the other corner of my eyes as well, but also coming to the middle of the eyelid, just by side of the first purple that I applied before. The intention of this look is to create a gradient of colors. So I go adding similar shades by side of each other to create this glamorous effect. And always adding everything inside of the same shape. And now I'm gonna apply this beautiful brown eyeshadow by the side of the purple. And so apply this color. Now I'm gonna use a lip brush, also with a little bit of spray, as you can see here. The setting spray that I'm using are from George Cosmetics, and today I used the watermelon fragrance. Oh my god, all the products here smell so good. This palette smells like peachy, and this is amazing, and also this setting spray that smells like watermelon. This is so good. To create this makeup look, it was so good. And to highlight, I'm gonna apply this light, kind of peachy, brownish shade in the tear duct area. And in the palette, it looks pinkish, but here, this is a different color in the camera. So I decided to add this color in the tear duct area to highlight a little bit, also using a lip brush. And to highlight a little more, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply the lightest shade from the palette, also in the tear duct area, but I'm gonna leave a little bit of space to let the previous shade appear a little bit. So I don't want to cover completely the first eyeshadow. As I said before, my intention here with this look is to create a gradient of colors. And now I'm gonna use the same pink shade that I used in my crease in the lower lash line to diffuse the color that I applied in the other corners as well. And to add a little more glam into this look, I'm gonna use a little bit of glitter. Today I used Midnight Cowboy by Decay, and this is a eyeliner glitter, but I like to apply with a brush. So I have this softer effect in my makeup look, and so I'm gonna apply this glitter just in the inner corners, as you can see here. So I applied my fake lashes Sasha by Huda Beauty, and I applied mascara to stick the fake lashes in my natural ones, and this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. This makeup look is very beautiful and wearable, and as you can see here, it fits many looks for the Halloween. So you can add this eye look in many different looks and costumes that you want, and also you can change the colors as you like. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye. Take care and stay safe.